Hello guys, welcome back to George Basic Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to become a dasher in Canada, guys. So first of all, you need to do the simple thing. Go to Google and type this keyword inside the search, become a dasher in Canada. And when you search for it, you will see the first result, which is become a dasher delivery with Doordash. So choose this one. It will redirect you to the Doordash official website. And first of all, to sign up and become a Dasher, you need to enter your postal code. So you need to enter your Canadian postal code. So when you start writing your postal code, you need to choose your exact address, for example, this one. Then you need to click next. Then you need to enter your email address and click continue. Then you need to enter your Canadian mobile phone number. So just type your mobile number inside this gap. You can also tick this, keep me up to date on special offers and other Dasher news via SMS messages. So if you agree, you can tick this and click the sign up button, guys. So after you will sign up on Dasher, then you can go to Google Play Store or App Store and you can download the Dasher app on your mobile phone, guys. Then you can open it, click login, enter your mobile phone number you entered on Dasher website. So you will log into your account and it will put you on the wait list, guys. So you need to wait until they will unlock your account. So you will get a notification on your mobile phone or on your email. So you need to wait a little bit and you will successfully become a delivery driver on Doordash. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.